We're ready.
Those are the gentlemen that is not on the boat unless
You ready to go catch some big ones?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Ed, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'll tell you what, sir. I bet you get some big ones. You always do.
Well, we'll see.
We're ready. You ready, Will?
I'm ready. Go get them.
otherwise you got yourself running your pocket.
All the way through. Take the top hook and put it right in the tail. The opposite of what you were thinking. And if you've forgotten this, by the time we get fishing tomorrow morning, just grab one of us as we're walking by, and we can show you how to do it again. But that's how you want your bait to look, guys. You want it perfectly straight. That way it goes down to the bottom straight. It doesn't tangle you up. It doesn't tangle the people.
When John talks, we listen.
Right, so you got to get that slack out. So what you want to do is let it down.
Great job, guys. Fish for something else.
Hold on. Right here.
Knock me out the way, Bob.
Woo! Nice going, girl. Ooh, nice, John. Ooh, that's like a big one.
You want a gap yet? No.
Ooh.
Hoping to get him in before flipper.
Boy, he is.
Yeah, man.
I tell you. That's one to be proud of.
Get the gun.
Look at that porgy, would you? Shit. That's a porgy.
Yeah.
You got a big porgy. That's a pork.
Bunch of mangoes. Now we need to add some grouper to them. Early morning. Let's hope they really take off. God, look at that porgy, would you? Ever see outriggers on a head boat? They really work well. Look how calm it is, guys. We're 100 miles off Madeira Beach. Picture Florida perfect. The size of a mangrove snapper, would you? Oh, lost a big one.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, you nailed him. Good job, sir. Wonderful.
Love
what it's all about.
Exactly.
Look at that mangrove too. Boy, looks like one more. I might as well just stay by you, sir.
19.
18?
19.
19. One more and you're limited out on mangroves.
Yep.
Boy, they're gonna tell you what, they're running big too. Oh, and that makes your limit. 20 mangroves. That's one heck of a catch. He got some nice grouper too. Get him, Will. Get him.
Good, Will. Will.
The only thing you like, guys, you know the drill.
Not a shark. What is it, Will?
Big gag coming up. We got color.
I didn't expect a jack on that.
I didn't either.
God, look at the size of that dude,
That
would you?
sucked. On a dead bait on the bottom.
Ooh, nice one, girl.
Get her.
Get him, John. Notice how smooth he reels.
Or is it a red? It's a red.
Big red.
Big red.
Oh, great big old red grouper. Nice one. Look at the size of that dude, would you? Oh my gosh. Size of that red grouper, would you? John, you did a fantastic job on that dude, man. Did he fight very much?
He did.
Did he give you a good battle?
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, sir, that's one to be proud of.
Big gag. All right, there he is. Nice fish.
Wow.
There's the mailing fish.
Woo.
Nice.
Good job, man.
Oh,
Sorry, did he give you much of a battle?
yes.
How much did he fight?
A lot.
Here's the air bladder pop. Needs to get out of gas. So you got a hammer right there.
Nice. Very nice.
Okay, John, way to go, sir. A long day with plenty of fish. Plenty. Let's go home. Next stop, Madeira Beach. We're back home. Nice trip as usual. Good to be home. Kevin Garrett leads us back to the dock.
We're back.
love mangroves. We had quite a few people living out on mangroves. You know what? 20 ago, the size mangroves that we catch was a good catch by itself. That red grouper, was it? Ain't hardly lift those pipes finally. Time to go home.